a good idea for winterizing your outdoor irrigation lines is to use a blower to blow out all of the excess water from the line. And so that actually can inflate an air mattress. But we attached it to the beginning of the line, and this is working its way all the way through. A lot of it's buried right here. And this irrigation goes throughout underneath. You can't even see it now.
Yeah, William was
And then
right
it
about
follows.
this. Works great.
It follows right through where all of the setup is. This way your lines will not crack due to expanded water in the line during the winter.